Yan sa Captain Ball. Okay po ba tayo? Huli! Ang ganda ng bato. Sumunod ang tres. Bagong gipit kasi kaya mabigat eh. Pass to Balleros. Pass to number 4. Attorney. Then pass to number 7. Lego Attorney. Marvin Lim. To Toby. Ito na ang lineup. Toby, sumubok ng tres. Lego Attorney. Number 7, Len. Isa! Marami! Ito na. Red, nagbababa ng bola. Sergio, grab pass to Marvin Lim. Tayo ng gagawin sa Borja Balleros. Na, by number 80. Shot by Mr. Marvin Lim. Oh, isa pa nga. Balleros 9 minutes. Check, Balleros, tumira, number 1, Chris, pass to Toby, to number, tumira to number 2. Nagkaroon ba na? Nagkaroon ko Eric. Eric, kanina kasama na naman dito. By number 7. Yan. Black pass to Toby, number 23. Hugot, Awara. Black pass to Toby, to Red. Napanalo pa yan. Umigat mag-isa. To Chris, napanalo pa yan. Chris, black pass to Marvin Lim. Time to shoot. Baby, Lego Chris. 1-4. At 2.5 number 21. Jeff Balleros, tumaya. Nagkataya na bola ng isa automatic. Score. Sumigaw, dumiretso. Black pass to Marvin Lim. Kobe, Lego na ako pa rin Marvin Lim. Time out. Grabe yung tayo mo doon, Dave. Murder. Mr. Otto Nabi. Super defense. Lego, nawarin Jeff Balleros. Time remaining 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Diretso, hindi ka. Pass to Red. Liza, double defense number 2 ng Green. Number 4. Nakuha ni number 2. Nakahabi. Sumubok ng Red. Best for Kenya. Number 7, Eresa number 2. Kuya. Behind the back. Number 2, Subukan. Number 7. Step carry ng game. Mr. Automatic. Susunod. Pass to number 7. Red pass to number 4. Number 10. Tumira ng press. Logo. Nakarami. It's a same ball. Muli ang substitution natin sa dead ball po at sa second shot po pag pumasok ng free throw. Logo. Drop. Uy, ganda ng pasa. Time to shoot. Two drops. Very good. Time remaining 6 minutes. Be ready. Hey! Wala ayot. Hey! Pass to number 2. Number Number 2. Change of pace. Drop pass. Kay Chris. Salas. Chris. Sumagasa. No good. Nakakuha ni Marvin Lee. 2 points. By Marvin Lee. Pasok ang second time. Salamat pinag-ulit sa mga kasarap na ito rin. Tumira. Good for 2 points. By Alex. Ibo. Pass to Toby. Tumira. Alex. Nagdadaba ng bola. Alex by 2 guys. Alex pa rin ang bola. Pass to Gian. Very good. Who's my head? Pass ang kiligiri. Number 10. Your first personal foul. First team foul. Cooper rapid by Gian. No good na ako Andy. Bergara. Pace. Pass to number 35. Thierry Toby. Diretso. Stop. Pass to JR. Laser. By number 18. Grabe si James Shep na bumata. It's a ball by number 35. Huli. Pass to Aran. Drop pass to Toby. Toby. Pinang magaling. Huli. Time remains 4 minutes and 2 seconds in favor of Rim. Pass to JR. Good by 2 points for JR. Grabe naman yung magic bullet nyo. Pass to Nan. Number 35. Diretso. Sumagasa. Tumira. Mayroon na kayo James. It's a ball again. By number 35. You are second personal foul. Running for penalty. 7. Ito pa pala, Ibo. Huli! Ibo! Tumira! James! Susunod! Hindi mo pwede. Siyam lang kayo pero isa lang ang pwede mag-stay. 4 na ang pwede palitan. Hey! Isa pa rin pala! First shot by number 10. Good, nakakuha ni Alan, pass to Lan. Lan, nagmamadali. Lan, susunod. Sumagasa, lumayap. Dito pa sa Lan. Alam niyo, bata pa yun, ha? Score, 15-12, official score. Pass to JR. Down shot. Pass to Lan. Time remains 2 minutes and 14 seconds in favor of Rim. 15-13. Drop pass to James. May PG. Asa yung tanong niya? Nandun yun sa kabila. Ito na. Take by Andy. Pass to number 10. Drop to number 18. James Shaq. Drop pass to number 35. Sumiretso. Sumalaksak. Bumato. No good na ako ni number 18. James Shaq. 2 points. JR, kota na! Time remains last 2 minutes for this quarter. Red pass to Toby. Nagmamadali. Sumiretso. Black pass. Huli. Toby. Nagmamadali. Toby. Alas. Pass to Ibo. Wala na tayo. Pass to. Kaya ang jump shot. number 10. Rebound na, 2 points pa. Ibo. Sarang Ibo, pass to Alan. Alan, tumira. So sweet. So sweet. 2 points by Alan. Time remains last 1 minute for this quarter. Vergara, pass to number 18, James Shot. Sumubok, sumagasa, grabe na lang siya! Kota na! Laman na ang Gray! Ibo, pass to Toby, challenge by Yan, sumubok, very good. No good. Magawa ni James Pastoral. Binangga na lang po. Binangga si Vergara. Talong bangga inabot. Number 6 na po kayo ng Andres. No good na ako sa Miguel. It's a pushing foul by number 18. Kota ko na naman. Personal foul. Penalty. Penalty na tayo, referee. Sorry. Uy. Penalty na tayo, ref. 7. Repeat. Number 69, warning ka na. Warren, pass to number 5. Sumubok. No good mga buwan ni Cruz. Gabi yun. Itaw. Pass to play. Mr. Colossus. Dumiretso. No good. Nakuha ni Mabilin. Nataba. Nakalimutan na. Elaya. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 30. Boto ka number 5. Tumiran mo Land, pass to Red. Pass to Marvin Lim. Wow! Side step pa. Walang batang-bat. Pass to Jet Valeros. Okay. First personal foul, first team foul. Last shot by Jet Valeros. Very good. Nakuha ni Mabel. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Drop pass to number 5. It's a line ball. Number 4. Pass to Jet Valeros. Turn it out pumersa. No good na kuha ni Ewala. No good na kuha ni nagpapabali. Oh, it's a foul. Ilang lang eh. Mr. Colossus, sumagasa. Tumipap. No good. Number 7. Aras. Ni Colossus. Pass to Suete. Oh, wala. 7, dire-diretso. Dumiretso. Walang traffic. Holiday kasi. Red, nagbababa ng bola. Time naman yung 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Pass to Marvin Lee. Diretso. Marvin, nakakuha. Nakakuha ni number 4. Aberni, tumira. Grabe na yung connection na yun. Pass. Tumira ng 2. Good for 3 points by number 2. 3 points. Correct. 3 points. Sumunod. Lagi pa. Dalawa. Counted by number 7. Bonus shot by number 7. Good. Chris. Nagbababa ng bola. Chris. Nasa laksa. Chris. Pass to Marvin Lim, pumukul ng Dre. Wala. Grabing dugot yan. Brought you by Magbagay, dumire-diretso. Magbagay, pass to number 2. Pass to Marvin Lim. Beautiful defense. May kasama bang pasado? Number 7. Land, pass to number 2. Tusubay. Good for 2 points by number 2. Score 32-31 in favor of 3. Pass to Jet. Kuya ni Jet. Drop 2. Number 2. Grabe yung mga meron. Mapanakit sa mga meron. Nangunguna yung batang-bata. Kuya Mike. Pakay tayo dyan. Pulls up. Good for 2 points. Bar. Kaya mo nga naman daw. Bagot nakakuha ni Toby. Vergara, pass to number 2. Rivera. Pass to number 11. Ibo, drop pass to Toby. Take. Time na yung 4 minutes. Oh, kala mo, may autorisado naman ng nanay eh. Pass to Vergara, sumagasa sana. Good for 2 points. Ano masasabi ng nanay? Okay lang daw. Number 11 pass to number 2 tumira ulit ang press. Good na ako ngayon. Vergara. Pass to number 32. Drop to Vergara. Pass to Jeff. Drop pass to number 32. James. Bato kay Ibo. Bato kay Red. Tumira yung press. Good for 3 points by number 2. Score all 35. Susubo. Angel Dumut. Hey, it's a goal by number 8. No good. Nakakuha ni number 32. Grabe naman ang asal. Ay! Grabe naman pinamigay. Number 32. Pass to number 35. Number 35. No hesitation. Great 2. Good for 2. By number 35. Huli number 32. Huli ni number. Mr. Automatic. Automatic. Super points by Mr. Automatic. Nagmamadali. Sumagasa sa ilalim mo. Logo.
Siya nag-i-initiate kasi ng foul, sir.
Gray. 41-35 in favorite Gray team. Logo. Draw pass to Mr. Automatic. Jack to number 69. Logo. Pinagpig na naman sa sabi. Good for 2 points by number 69. Toby, drop pass to Ibo. Ibo, put some screen. Alan, pass to Ibo. 10 to shoot. Dallas, Pinato. Time remains 1 minute and 50 seconds. Drop pass to Jab. Lagot na ako kanino. Jab pa rin. Tapos, lagot na ako kanino. Grabe yun. Number 69. Lagot na ako kanino. Good for 2 points by Red. Time remains 1 minute and 10 seconds. Pass to number 10. Nanginginit. Pass to Mr. Automatic. Isa na. Hindi niya sinipa. Dumalit na number 35. Pass to number 69. Assist by number 35. Counted by number 69. Time remaining is 35 seconds. 37. Sampu na ang kalimangan ng Gray team. Pass to Toby. Sumubok ng 3. Good for 3 points by number 23. Last shot by Team Gray.
Hindi pa niyo kamay, magkatuhod. Kamay!
Bulecho, number 35. Drop pass to Mr. Automatic. Good na kay Toby. 6 to 4. Good for 2 points by Red. Boom! Malayo. Aya. Number 10. Number 35 drop to number 7. Number 11. Dumiretso. Tinier drops. Slow good na ako ni Chris. Sumubok ng best. Slow good na ako ng number 10. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Dumiretso. Sumasap. Good for 2 points by number 35. Toby, sumubok ng best. Very good na ako ni number 10. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 35. Pass to Ilaya. Ibo na number 11. Setting up play by number 11. Number 11. Pass to James Shot. Bumaba. Mr. Colossus drop pass to number 18. Happy birthday to you. Ay, kala ko birthday. Number 35, pass to number 7. Number 7, tumira ng 3. Next one, nakuha pa rin number 10. Remember number 10. Nakuha rin number 30. Good for 3 points by number 23. Pagbawalan daw tumira. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Dire-diretso. Arrest by number 11. Number 35 to 30. Bagot nakakuha ni Mr. Colossus. Dire-diretso. Drop pass to Toby. To number 2. Number 2. Wow! Rebound na. Points pa niya. Number 35. Time remains 7 minutes and 21 seconds in favor of 10 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 35. Drop pass to number 7. Assist by number 35. Rebound by number 35. Shot by number 7. Pass to Chris. To Toby. Sumubok ulit ng Chris. No good. Nakuha ni Ibo. Yeah, pass. Quick defense. Assist by number 11. Shot by number 23. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng Grey Team. Loren. Susubok. Nasundugan ni Ibo. Steal by number 11. Pag-dead boy po. Number 2. Pass to Ule. Para! Ibo. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Tumira ng 3. Sumubok. Napakalayo para si Seth Curry. Number 35. Rebound by number 35. Dumiretso. Sumagasa. Tumira ng 2. Buwan yung nakakuha ni number 2. Pass to Chris. Chris nagmamadali. Sumagasa. It's a foul. By number 6. Down. Pass to Red. To Toby. To Chris. To Marvin Lim. Bago na. Para si Mr. Berkowitz siya. Chris. Pass to Toby. To Red. Sumalaksak. Dumiretso. Sumagasa. Tumira. Good for 2 points. By number 2. Assist by number 23. Baleros. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 35. Bagut. Nakakuha ni Toby. Diretso. Toby nabilang ng mera. Stay by number 7. Diretso. Bagut. Nakakuha ni number 18. 18. Pass to Ibo. Bagut. Nakakuha ni number 69. Rebound by number 69 ng game. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Dumiretso. Sumagasa. Trio ng Dres. Bagut. Nakakuha ni Chris. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 11. Drop pass to number 23. Assist by 11. Last shot. Ball shot. Grabe ka, uy. Yay! Time remains 4 minutes and 56 seconds. In favor of 3. Dumiretso. Hey! Kaya. Bagut. Nakakuha nila. Sarili pa. Number 5. Inbound go by number 5. Pass to Ayaya. Pass to number 10. Number 10 sa number 3. Good for 3 points by number 10. Assisted by number 30. Kompleto na. Pag tayo. Tumira ng Dres. Number 23. Official score of 56. Time remains 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Pag dead ball. Bagut. Nakuha ni Ibo. Number 11. Yata. Oo, gulit ako. Dumiretso. Sumalaksak. No good. Nakakuha nino. Number 10. It's a foul. Ang first team foul kay Kuya Marvin. Diretso, mag-asa. JR. Tira ng ikot. Ikot ng Ikra. Vergara. Pass to Vergara. Susubok ng 3. Bowling. No good na ako kanina. Pass to Ibo. Mag-aantay na kasabay. Good for 2 points. By number 11, assisted by number 7. Number 35. First play. Drop to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 18. Sumagasa. Pass to Eyaya. Diretso na traffic. Pass to number 18. 5 to shoot. No good. Not winning number 23. Rebound by number 23. Steal by number 35. Lays up by number 35. Nice score pa. Napakadikit po ng laban. All 58. Ibo. Dito. Nakuha Vergara. Nakuha niyo. Steal by Vergara. Number 69. Kompleto stats niya, ha? At tayo nagkamali pa, ewan ko na lang. Drop pass to number 69 to Eyaya. Pull up. Nagut na ko ni Chris. Number 21. Nagmamadali. Red, umikot. Sumalaksak. Nahawakan pa eh. Time remaining is 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Hey, box!
Number 35. Dumiretso. Pula. Haras pa number 11. Dapas to number 18. Number 18. Bumunda. Pass number 69. Legot na kuha. Chris. Number 21. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Nagmamadali. Number 2. Dapas to lang. It's a foul. Yung second shot. Very good. Last shot by Yan. Pag hindi po sumasok, hindi po tayo pwede rin sumunod. No good. One minute and 42 seconds. Drapas to number 69, drapas to 18. 69 by 18. Number 21, still rebound by number 21. Pass to number 11, number 11. Number 11, pass to number 2, number 2. Pull up 3. Good for 3 points. Assist by number 11. Punasan nyo dyan. Ito na. Drop pass to number 69. Movement na ako ng number 21. Rebound by number 21. Steal by. Walang steal. Nakuha pa rin number 1. Nakuha pa rin ni. Rebound by number 18. 50 seconds to play. Good for 2 points. Assisted by number 10. Matutuyo rin yan. 37. Dapat Lan. Nabitaw na bola. Lan. Rebound by number 10. It's a foul by number 11. Eyaya. Pass to number 35. Number 35. 20 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Number 10. Tumira ng 3. Good na buwan ni number 7. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Nabitaw na bola. Nakuha pa rin number 2. Pull up 3. Drop pass. Sinabay sa mukha. 2.
3 seconds!
Steal by Loren. Pinilit. Mr. Automatic. No good. Malas na si Mr. Automatic ah. Drop pass to number 10. Number 10. Pass to Drop pass to Chris, bumomba, tumira, ang taas. Pass to Jeff, to Mr. Automatic, Mr. Automatic. Assist by number 5, shot by number 2. Pass to number 10, pull up pass to number 21, good for 2 points by number 21, assisted by number 10. Last shot, drop pass to number 18.